Alright, I got a TYM 330. It acted like the starter solenoid. It would click and almost turn over, but it would never start. And then it would occasionally die while driving. I would have to jump start the starter solenoid. I'd short it across with a screwdriver to get it to start. It would never start. I was getting ready to replace the starter solenoid, and it tested fine. So I got looking under here for some shorted wires under the dash. There's a lot of wires. I was just looking for chafed wires, fusible links. And I come across this black box. Again, this is a TYM 330 hydrostat. And this plug on this box was loose, wiggling back and forth. So I shimmed it up with some zip ties, and I strapped the wires together a little tighter and tightened this whole deal up here. And now it starts fine. If you think your TYM may need a starter solenoid or starter, do a little more investigating. If it just dies randomly, this might be your culprit. Have a good day.